Hello everyone, welcome to Kannada 24. This is an educational based channel. This channel is useful for the beginners who wants to learn Kannada. Even you can teach your kids how to learn Kannada by referring to our videos. So let's get started. Before we start our class, we will take the blessings of Lord Ganesha with a prayer. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakarishu Sarvadat. To start the class, you will need 200-page 2-line notebook to use as a classwork and one more book to use as a homework and one pencil and eraser. Let's start with the phonics session. We will learn the Kannada Varnamale, that is Kannada alphabets, with the sounds and how to pronounce the Kannada letters. In Kannada, 49 letters are there. First 15 letters were called as Swaragalu, that means vowels of Kannada, and rest of the 34 letters were called as Vyanjanagalu, that means consonants in Kannada. Let's start with the writing session. In this session, you will learn how to write Kannada letters by using simple lines. In this video, you will learn the simple lines. These are the basic simple lines that we have to learn before start writing. Let us learn the simple lines. The first letter is circle. How to write the circle? Circle should come in between these two lines. Then we have to draw a half a curve towards down and half a curve towards up. And this is an opposite curve and this is an curve. And here you have to draw one line and slightly bend it standing line. This is called as a talakattu. Okay? And next line is you have to draw like a 3. Okay? This is an opposite 3. This is an sleeping kind of a 3. Okay? And this is sleeping kind of a 8 that you have to practice. Correct? And this looks like a sleeping S. Yes, we have to write like a yes. But the first line should not touch the upper blue line. The last simple line is start from here, go down and make a loop and come up and touch the second blue line. This is what you need to practice before we start writing.